every journey begins with the courage to step forward. Sometimes, the world answers when you finally listen. Even the smallest breath can return as something meaningful. What we release into the world often returns brighter than before. Clarity often appears when we learn to look beneath the surface. When the path brightens, it's a sign your courage is growing too. Sometimes silence isn't empty. Sometimes it's where we find ourselves.
Guidance often appears in the quiet places we slow down to notice. What we touch with intention often grows brighter in return.
Sometimes the way forward appears only when we're ready to see it. Perspective changes everything. Even echoes sound different from above. Stillness doesn't silence the world. It helps us finally hear it. What we send into the world often finds its way back to us. The truest echoes are the ones that begin within us. When we rise, our voice can light the way for others too. The clearer our voice becomes, the further its light can reach. Every step we take adds a little more light to the journey. The world reflects us best when we finally pause long enough to listen. The voice I was searching for has been growing inside me all along. When we find our voice, the whole world finally hears us shine.